Green because it's my daughter's birthday. Happy birthday, Adibonine, Wanjemono, Umbuhe, my womb obuna, Mpopa form. Omalicham Amando Nyekena sing happy birthday. I don't know safe when is put omalichi here. Today I said let me prepare another type of stew. Not all the time tomatoes, stuffed tomatoes. Now at times you need to try this my recipe. Try this my recipe. All right, try this kind of stew, okay? You enjoy it. You know, the first time I came to Jos Plateau, I saw people. I say, you people are preparing food with all. Is it not salad? They told me no, it's stew. And when I tasted this food, the thing, I fell in love with this stew. So I would like you to join me and prepare this stew, and I would like you to try it out also in your own house. Though here in Jos Plateau, we have more of all these